Okay, so basically what we're looking at in this video is the replacement of the adhesive on top of the multiline cartridge. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. The water is already there, and we're going to see how this is done. Okay. So this is the glue. This is the glue that you put in place at the edges. Then another important thing is that you see that level, the water is going to be just very close to the edge, very close to the edge. Okay, very close. So basically you spread the glue. So you spread the glue, and carry on spreading the glue. Carry on spreading the glue, and then now you get one of these adhesives and put it on. Okay, you do it delicately, and then you press on the edges. But okay, so you press gently on the edges to actually get the adhesive in place. And you need to let it dry as well, because this is a glue that requires time to dry. Going back to the process again, you see here the level of the water is going to be just close to the edge, but it hasn't actually got to overflow. And before you put the glue on, make sure this area is dry, and you just dry it out with you see that thing that has been used in order to actually dry the edges. Okay, just go back out and play again, and then basically what you do, just go back to where we were before. Basically what you do, you just go from the edges outwards, and you make the film adhere with the cartridge itself. That's it, pretty much is there, and you clear all the residues of glue. In terms of glue, the one that we suggest you use is, let me show you. So the glue that we recommend is PVA glue. PVA glue, which is the same sort of glue that are used by children, and it's non-toxic. So PVA glue or school glue, this is normally white. Okay, and off you go. Yes, and then you carry on, clean it off, and let it sit. I'm just going forward, and let it sit. Once you've actually cleaned it all out, just let it sit for a day or so, and then you should be okay to go. One of the most important thing is just make sure that the water level is just almost at the edge, and you keep these edges which you find on the groove before you place this black sticker on. But you just dry it out. Make sure it's dry before you put the glue on.